guys, welcome to a new video. Well, you can see the weather is pretty good. It's snowing here in London, so I thought let me make a quick video and let me just give you a quick few tips of what to do before you set off and what should you be doing when driving. It's just my own opinion, just to help you guys. Let's get in the car. Right, on a cold day like this, before even you start the car, make sure you clear all your windows. So what I like to do first is of course start my engine. But before you start your engine, make sure you put your key in, put it to the ignition, don't start, give it few seconds, and now you can start. All my windows are nice and clean and I am ready to go. So before I set off, I always give my car 5 to 10 minutes to warm up, and make sure on a snow on a day like this, you gotta make sure that you don't use a lot of acceleration. Just be nice with it. As I said, use gentle acceleration. It's very important. You don't want to brake hard, but if you brake a lot, it doesn't work at all anyway. You gotta think 10 times way ahead when driving in snow. Here in London, the thing is we don't always get snow, and when we do, half the people get stuck because they're not prepared for it. So always you gotta make sure that you check your thing before even you set up. So you gotta make sure that your windscreen wash is topped up. You gotta make sure that your windows are cleared. You gotta make sure that your tire pressures are right. And it's wise to be wise. You have to make sure that you have a winter tire. It's fun to drive in winter tire in days like this. It's one of the must thing you should have when it's snowing. I know that people trying to save money, but it pays off. It does pays off. At days like this, you see most people are getting stuck. They're not prepared. So that's when winter tire comes pretty handy. When it comes to braking, you have to be so careful on days like this, because it's not always you being careful. There's always someone out there who just doesn't care. So you gotta watch out for them. You gotta make sure you think 10 times ahead than any other days. You gotta make sure that don't brake harsh, of course. I had this experience in Scotland with my mates when we had the 2017 520D X-Drive in Scotland, and my goodness, it was struggling. Even though it had the winter tire, its X-Drive, it was still struggling. It's better to drive with two hands when the weather's like this. Lane hogging. Guys, if you're watching this video and you lane hog, please just move off. There's nothing called the fast lane. It's called the overtaking lane or whatever it's called. But once you overtake, just move out. Like if you look at me now, I'm driving as slow as I can, but then again I'm not blocking everyone. I'm at a reasonable speed and I'm on the left lane right now, so I can let other people go fast if they want to, or overtake me if they want to. That's what those lanes are for, not for you to just sit there. Please do make sure you move back. Quickly wrapping up the whole thing, before you start driving in conditions like this, you gotta make sure that you should check your car. You should check the minimum thing. Even if you don't understand nothing about cars, that's fine. Get someone who knows about cars. Get someone who can check it for you before you set up, because it's better to be safe than sorry. Thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for my future videos. I hope to see you soon. When the Toyota is having some fun, check this out. Ronald!